Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and for our Free It Friday, we are doing a Hot Wheels Premium Team Transport Nissan box set. This is the latest Nissan box set. Well, I shouldn't say latest. It came out a couple months ago, but it is the latest Nissan installment. I think this is the third Nissan set that they've done. And actually, I think now, since I was able to find these, at SRP, I'm going to try to get the R32, 33, and 34 set again. I know it's kind of pricey nowadays, but I'm going to start looking for that. I have a lot of trade bait, so if somebody out there watching has one for sale or for trade, let me know. Check out my eBay store. The link is in the description to see what I have for sale, what I'll trade. Anything in the store is up for trade also. But anyways, this set contains the three classic GTRs. The first gen GTR, the Hakasuko, the 2000 GTR, and then you have the Kenmeri, which is the second gen, which is a like 72 to maybe 74. Then after that, the third gen, and I don't think it was even a GTR, but it was still like a turbo or something like that, the KPCG 210 instead of 110. The Hako is the KPCG 10, and then the Kenmeri is the KPGC 110, and then the center one is the KPGC 210. So, anyways, to fill you in on those little model numbers that they have. And then the third one, the one in the center, I'm not sure if it had a nickname or not, like the other two, the Hakosuko, which means box skyline in Japanese, I believe, and then the Kenmeri, which was nicknamed because of the couple that was in the commercial. Ken and Mary, I guess, were their names to have more of like an American appeal or culture to it in the commercials. So anyways, but yeah, I want to find the 32, 33, and 34 set again, either boxed or loose. I used to have it, and we did do an unboxing on it, but I sold it previously. But now I've kind of got an urge to start a side collect of white Nissans. So I don't know why, but I may start doing that, picking up the white Mini GT Nissans, the white Hot Wheels Premium Nissans, and maybe some other manufacturers. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyways, this set here, we're going to go ahead and cut open. And as you can see, Hot Wheels Premium, metal on metal, real riders, and it has Nissan on the front with Mattel. In the background, it's kind of like a dark showroom with I think it's an S15 in the background picture. Not even a skyline, kind of odd that it wouldn't be another skyline. But on top, you have the Hot Wheels Premium, and then on the back side, they tell you what's in the lineup. Once again, the 2000 GTR, LBWK, and then the Nissan Skyline C210, that's also an LBWK wide body, I believe, and then the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX, or GTR. And it also has the radius wheel openings with the flares, which also could be thought of as an LBWK, Liberty Walk. Then the Fleet Street Hauler Nissan. Then, bottom side, you just have your licensing and manufacturers and all that other stuff there. Nissan, Liberty Walk, Hot Wheels Collector Club, and blah, 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 blah. That end cap, we have Nissan and Hot Wheels Premium. Same thing with that end cap. So, let's get him open. And then, it is still sealed with the round Hot Wheels stickers. So, instead of trying, you can see it pretty good there. Instead of trying to peel that one back like I do the MT stuff, I'm just going to cut it. So, that it will be easier. And oddly enough, the box set that we unboxed the other week, I guess was a start to a new trend for our channel. But what was odd, remember I told you guys I got it for 12 bucks because it was left over. It was the track day set with the Lamborghini, the Mercedes Le Mans car, and then the Audi Quattro. Anyways, I parted that set out, and I kept the Lamborghini, but I sold the other ones, and oddly enough, when I found these on the shelf, these rang up for 12 bucks. They forgot to change it back to the regular price, which these are supposed to be $27.97, which I thought was ridiculous. The $23.97 before was, I guess, okay, because you do have like a team transport set, which would be like 15 bucks. So you have that there. Then you have $6.50, $6.47 each for the premiums. So that would have been 13 bucks, and then like 15 bucks. So 28, yeah, I guess it would be like $27.97. So they're crazy, man. But yeah, I would have never paid that for this set being SRP, just first release and such. But like if it, the other one that I'm trying to obtain, the old set, yeah, that one I would pay obviously that much, maybe more. So obviously more, because I think it's going for like 80 or 90 bucks nowadays. So anyways, you can see these are rubber band down, and then it has tape over the rubber bands, so they're a little bit hard to get out. So that's why I brought scissors instead of just relying on the razor knife. So I'm going to start with my favorite, the Hako. And this one is very nicely done. Pretty much identical to the Boulevard release back in 2000, what was it, 12, 2011, something like that. Anyways, yes, it is done in white with black flares, black chin spoiler, and such. The only difference is the Watanabe style wheels are in black instead of gray, but it looks very good like this. Rear roll pan, no bumper, detailed tail lights. Can't remember how detailed the Boulevards were. This is a highly detailed front end, which I do dig. The headlight covers I think should have been body color matched, but hey, the silver or gray, matte gray is okay. The oil cooler and oil lines there look really nice. Nice detail on this black window trim. Looks very suiting. So very nicely detailed piece. Nice detailed chassis. Stuff. I always loved this casting from Hot Wheels. I used to collect them, but got out of it. So this one I will be keeping. And I do have an extra box set of these if anybody's looking. And I would do it for the SRP $27.97. I know I only paid $12, but hey, still yet. If you find them at your Walmart, most likely, unless they had a deal like mine the week prior with the reduced sets, then yours is probably going to ring up $27.97. So I could even do one better and do like 25 bucks plus shipping. So you save a couple bucks and you save the tax money. So here is your KPGC 210, which just casting first appeared in the JH2. And it actually, the JH2 is my favorite one with the candy, like metallic purple paint. Looks really good. And this one, though, has the detailed chrome bumpers and chrome grille, detailed headlights and such. Detailed tail lights and separate bumper. The bumper in the rear is painted body colors, though. Actually, the front one is too. Huh. With black bumper ends. Still looks pretty good, and this is a casting with rolled up side glass. Looks good with the 4-spoke, I guess it would be mini lights. Another sweet casting from Hot Wheels. And then the LBWK Ken Mary And this, I would like to see them do in the light blue, like the release they did last year in the main line, but with the real riders on it, of course. And then have it as a premium, not a super treasure hunt, but a premium. I would like to see it with die-cast metal base and such. So this looks good. It has the 4-spoke mini lights, I believe. Yeah, it looks like 4 spokes to me, but black, very small diameter, but looks very much like Watura's baby blue one with the wheels. I can't remember if it has the 4 spokes or if it has the Watanabe's, but anyways, looks good. And it has the single tail light custom panel instead of having the double tail lights, which I think I like the double tail light better, but that's my own personal preference. LBWK plate, and then the staggered headlights, and they look kind of cool. Nice detail on the grill and stuff on this model, so very cool piece. And then the hauler, and that's one thing that I really don't care about if I keep or not, are the haulers. Like, for example, if I can obtain the other set, and let's take a look at that car in the background. I believe that is an S15. Now, what's the other guy back there? It's a 300ZX. Yeah, 300ZX, and S15, and the blue one, I'm not sure. I can't really see it good enough. But anyways, cool that not all Skylines in the background. And that was the one thing that was diverse about the first set. They had Nissans and Datsuns, which same company, but they had the 510 wagon, the Fairlady Z, and then they had the Laurel, which is another cool casting from Hot Wheels, which is another old school wide body from LBWK, as far as I can remember, and such. And there we go. It slides back. So, pretty cool. So, there you have it. There's our lineup of these guys. And I do dig these a lot, to the point where, as I said, I'm going to probably start collecting white Nissans again. So maybe looking for that S15, the white one from one of the premiums. I think it's Modern Classics and such, just to get them and put them in maybe another 50 car case like we have here. And as I mentioned on Monday's video, I'm going to show you guys that stash in that case. It's nothing exotic. There's a few cool RLC pieces in there and some cool rare Auto World pieces in there, but nothing that's like triple digit cars, or maybe like 1 or 2, but that's it. So yeah, my collection is not that exclusive and rare, but it's still nice, and that's what I like. So I'll show you guys those. Maybe next week we'll do something on a Wednesday video. But anyways, guys, this is our Free It Friday. We'll be back again on Monday. We'll be doing a Mopar Monday. Believe it or not, we're going to be doing more M2 machines. And we're going to be showcasing the 71 Charger RT. We have the latest release from their Detroit Muscle, like 60 something. And then we have some from like release 13, 15, and 30 something. But we have like 4 different ones to take a look at. And they're all in the crystal cube boxes or display cases, acrylic display cases. Anyways, but yeah, we'll be doing that come Monday. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And as I said, if you need one of these sets, hit me up. I have one that I'll do at SRP. And then if you have the other Nissan white set with the 32, 33, and 34, and you would like to sell at a decent price, or you see something that I have on my eBay store that you would like to trade for, just let me know. And I will get in touch with you. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on Monday.